The Speaker of the Kaduna State House of Assembly arrives to join lawmakers, members of the Executive Council, the Deputy Governor, and guests for the presentation of the 2026 Appropriation Bill. Governor Sani's entry formally signals the start of the session, where he unveils the 2026 budget of consolidating rural transformation for inclusive development. In the draft budget, 699.7 billion naira, representing 71%, was devoted to capital expenditure, and 286.2 billion naira, representing 29%, was assigned to recurrent needs. The governor also reviewed the state's 2025 budget performance.
Sectoral allocation priorities: education, 25%; infrastructure and rural transformation, 25%; health, 15%; agriculture and food security, 11%; security, 6%; social development, 5%; environment and climate action, 4%; governance and administration, 5%. Each allocation aligns with our human capital and infrastructure transformation agenda. To strengthen grassroots development, each of the 255 wards received 100 million for community-identified projects under the World Development Committees and Community Charter Champions. This remains one of Nigeria's largest participatory budgeting frameworks.
Governor Sani reaffirmed his administration's commitment to security, citing improved collaboration with security agencies and progress from the Kaduna Peace Model, alongside major transport reforms such as the Kaduna BRT, the Interstate Bus Terminal, and the ongoing light rail projects.
We have contracted or secured no new loans since assuming office. Instead, we focus on prudent debt management, paying 114 billion in debt servicing. All these debts were paid were the debt we inherited before we came to office, while maintaining essential public services. This approach reflects our commitment to fiscal responsibility and long-term sustainability.
Responding after the presentation, the Speaker of the Kaduna State House of Assembly, Yusuf Liman, commended the budget as ambitious, comprehensive, and aligning with the state's development priorities.
I also wish to clearly state that this is the first time in our state history that a governor has granted all honorable members the opportunity directly. This singular gesture reflects your administration, genuine commitment to fostering an enabling environment for sustainable development across Kaduna State.
The governor urged lawmakers to approve the budget, saying it reflects a shared resolve to build a secure, inclusive, and globally competitive Kaduna. Nisi Gabriel, Arise News, Kaduna.